Howdy folks, welcome to Wonder Eats. Today I'm in Kajang and this is the first time I'm exploring this shopping mall called Metro Point Complex in Kajang. It's a very hot and sunny day, so why don't we go in there and enjoy the aircon, shall we? Oh yeah, this is also the first time I'm testing out my new toy, which is the Osmo Pocket 2, or rather the DJI Pocket 2, and I'm using the built-in wireless mic attached to my shirt. Hopefully it sounds alright because it's quite concealed. I have to walk fast here, and there's a Baskin Robbins. And on the outside, let's go on the outside first. I could do with the ice cream right about now. Alright, so you have a lot of shops as well. Mydin Mart, MOG Express if you're in need of your glasses fixed or made. Great place here. You know, it's also in a lot of other malls. There's a pharmacy right here on the right. Guess there's another entrance right there. There's a Starbucks in the corner adjacent to a restaurant. From the looks of it, it looks like Secret Recipe. Kind of like the new field of view of the Pocket 2. It's much wider than the old one. So I sold the old one and to get the Sony ZV-1, but the stabilization is not great. The Sony ZV-1, although it's full of features such as the product showcase and so on, but I kind of miss the stabilization of the Pocket, and I think this is one of the main reasons I'm back to the Pocket ecosystem, because the stability is crucial, of course, and the video that we are making for YouTube. Alright, so as we walk along this little road here, see there's a premium outlet, pre-loved boutique. I think it's all full of clothing. We have another optical shop here. This restaurant is not open, unfortunately. There's a Ayam Penyet restaurant. Doesn't seem to be open as well, or maybe it's on the other side. We'll go in and have a look. Okay, let's head on back in to the main entrance. Right, so we are at the first floor of the Metro complex, Kajang, and you can see there's a lot of clothing promotions going on at the ground floor. There are plenty of food outlets as well. I'm surprised to see there's this digital section here at the mall. Okay. There's $2 shops available in this mall. One is 2CO right on top there, and there's another one is Mr. Dollar on the left hand side here, which I will check out later for sure. Okay. On the right of me, there are plenty of clothing and beauty outlets, but I'm really curious about the top floor, second floor. So let's head on up. Now I'm not very sure what mode am I recording in. This is the first time I'm recording on the Pocket 2 since I got it. And it comes with a do-it-all handle and with a wireless mic attached to it. So the wireless mic is concealed in my shirt, so I hope it's picking up my voice alright. But yeah, the stabilization on the Pocket 2 is second to none for such a small, pocketable device, and that's one of the key reasons I got it again. Seems like there's a fair here, selling snacks. Oh, I love this panning shot from the Pocket. I won't be able to do that smoothly with my ZV-1, which I still have, of course. And I'll probably just I use the ZV-1 for on the table shots if I'm in a restaurant, or yeah, I think that'll be better. Nothing can beat the ZV-1 for that. This is the Mr. Toy shop. Good place to get gifts for the children. There's a Huawei outlet right here. So let's head on up. Here we are at level 2. This is the $2 shop, 2CO. I've been to their outlet at Maluri. And then we have Celebrity Fitness Gym right opposite. Bright sunny day today. And Mr. DIY right opposite. Well, this mall is really well equipped. A lot of the popular shops Malaysians love and know are all here. At the end, I will go back down to the ground floor and have a look at the food outlets. So we have all these handphone shops here, Xiaomi, Samsung, Vivo, Realme. Yeah, I hope the footage is not too bouncy because I'm just walking briskly just now, and I can feel it shaking in my hands. Well, we'll see. Oh, this is a really cool audio shop full of guitars. Even the ukulele there. Oh, this is really cool. There's also a very popular guitar shop at Lot 10 in KL. This seems to be a very large Mr. DIY. 2 different sections. I guess that's it from the second floor. There's no cinema or bowling alley here, but the crowd is not bad. So let's head on down to the ground floor. Alright, a little bit of correction. There's actually a bowling alley right on top. The third floor. It's called Super Bowl. Alright, so there's a bowling alley after all. No cinemas though. So let's head on down. Then we have the chicken rice shop and tea leaf on the right of us. Food, yeah. My favorite part of the mall. Alright, so on the left hand side we have Ding Dong Tteokbokki, Korean street food. Then we have, oh, this is something new to me, Chic Ole. Looks like a KFC, McDonald's fast food. definitely going to try this out later. We have the information counter right next to us on the right. Ipoh Town White Coffee, Dunkin' Donuts, Kenny Rogers, jewelry shop. A lot of food choices here. I'm pleasantly surprised. And we have a small little quaint bakery shop on the right here. KK Mart. Hot and Roll just now on the right, and Tunes, Subway, and Family Mart. At the end, we will have Kenny Rogers with Baskin Robbins and Deluxa. We have this little place called Penang Town. That looks interesting. RHB Bank, Guardian, Sushi King, and Starbucks. What's a mall without Starbucks or Coffee Bean, right? Not a really huge mall, but I think it serves the community well, the community of Kajang. So I'm at Chic Ole. I'm also gonna test out the wireless mic. Hopefully you can pick up from here. Alright, now let's see what's all this about, right? Oh, that's a spicy one. Very interesting flavors. Reminds me of Chic Ole. Very nice. Coleslaw and mashed potatoes. The coleslaw is very similar to KFC, but the mash is a bit powdery for me, but the flavor is okay. But chicken, yum. Let's try the non-spicy. Very aromatic. It's closer to A&W fried chicken than anything else, but it has this unique flavor profile. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this first run trying out the Osman Pocket, or rather, sorry, the DJI Pocket 2, and checking out Metro Complex. Till the next videos, do consider subscribing to our channel, and see you guys in the next videos. Bye while I enjoy this meal.